Have you ever dry laid your tiles and found this? Look how off these joints are in only a few rows of tile. Keep watching, I'll show you my secret to easily install them to look like this. These are the tiles I'm installing in this shower. They're intentionally slightly different in size to give an overall handmade look. But when you dry lay them with spacers, look how off the joints get in just a few rows. Yikes. If you keep going, they just get worse. Since these tiles are irregular, to install them you have to adjust the grout joints manually to make the tiles line up. The first step is to dry lay a small area like this. I'm using 2 rows to get an overall feel of the tile. Once it looks the way I want it to, I get a 5 tile measurement. I'll use this as my module when I'm installing. The second step is to use a non-sag thinset. I'm trying out this new thinset from custom building products called Versabond LITE. It's got higher bond strength than regular Versabond and Versabond LHT. It's also suited for large format tile, so it can be used in place of LHT. It's got non-sag and non-slump properties up to 3/4 of an inch. It mixes nice and light. You can definitely feel a difference when troweling. The lightness of the thinset seems like it would ease the strain on your hand from troweling. And best of all, it only weighs 35 pounds a bag. I used to use ProLite for non-sag, but its bond strength is overkill for porcelain tile. I can cut costs by using Versabond LITE, so it might be my new go-to thinset for non-sag applications. Step 3 is to use my laser level as a guide to keep my first row plumb. Make sure to slide each tile perpendicular to your trowel lines for the best bond. This will help keep the tile from sagging. Now I use my 5 tile module to make sure the joints are consistent. You can just spread them to get balanced joints and they will hang. Next, I'll fill in the areas to the left and the right, gently sliding each tile to collapse the thinset ridges. Once they're all up, I'll use a level to make sure all the tiles are touching it, using my 5 tile module as a guide. Now the top row is level, my center tiles are plumb, so I'll manually adjust the rest of the tiles by eye with absolutely no spacers. Here's another view of how you manually adjust the tiles to balance out the grout joints. You just want to spend some time looking at all the joints from different angles so that it looks inconsistently consistent.
Not one spacer.
Let me know if this video helped you out or if you have any questions about this process. Thanks again for watching, and tile on, my friends.